Hey guys, I'm back. Hey! Today we're cooking egg pancake bread. So first we need 1.5 cup of pancake mix, any pancake mixture, and we also need 1 cup of water, and we need 2 eggs, 2 cake molds, and we also need 1 pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar. And then we need some melted butter. Butter. But instead of this, you can use any cup, any bowl, just not too big. About this size. It could be tall if you want it to, but just not too wide. The best one for these is a paper cup. After you make the bread, you can just like rip it off and boom, bread only. No paper cups or something. Okay, first we need 1.5 cup of pancake mix, any kind of pancake powder. And then we need 1 cup of water. Be careful not to spill any. 1 cup of water. And then we mix. Mixity mix, mixy mix. Ooh, it's tough. Gotta mix this super well. Okay, after we mix it, it's gonna be thick like frosting, like this. So after we mix, we're gonna put it aside. And we need these and these. Okay, for the cups, we need to like paint butter all over it, so when we put the bread in the oven and we take it out, it comes out easily. It like slides out. 1 cup completed. 2nd cup. I got butter all over my hands right now. So after you put the butter on the cups, only pour enough batter so that it fills only half of the container. It won't stop dripping. Oh my gosh. Okay, keep doing that until your cup is half full. Half filled, half full, half filled. Tricky. Half a cup. We leave it to set, and I'm gonna do the other cup too. Stop dripping. Ooh, you can't just like, you can't take your eyes off this satisfying dripping. Usually this enough batter is supposed to make 4 or 5, but today for me and my sister, we're only gonna make 2. And for this big baby, we're gonna do it lighter. Okay, now for the eggs. We are gonna crack the eggs over the batter. Let's do this. Ooh, it's icky. Okay, now that we cracked the eggs perfectly, we're gonna poke the yolk and pop it. Pop, poppity pop, pop, poke. And then after we pop the yolk, we're gonna do 1 teaspoon of sugar for each. 1 teaspoon for this one. Ooh, I think I'm gonna enjoy this. 2, and then after we do that, we're gonna do 1 pinch of salt each. 1 pinch. 1 pinch. So, and then after we do the sugar and the salt, we're gonna mix. Don't touch the batter part, only the egg part, okay? And for the next one, mix it thoroughly so there's no like chunk of salt and sugar. It's gonna be, ugh, this is so sugary. So make sure to mix it. So after I'm done mixing, so you have a choice right now. You can add ham, cheese, or sausages, but for today, I'm gonna add parsley and peanuts. Be sure not to add this if you're allergic, please. After you open it, I'm just gonna take a pinch of each. Ooh, maybe a little bit more for this one, and for this one too. Oh, this smells peanutty already. Okay, now I'm gonna add the parsley. Ooh. Parsley. 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 Okay, now we're gonna put it in the air fryer. Yay! Okay, now that we're done, we're gonna insert these into the air fryer. Eek! Careful not to spill any. Ooh, ah, ah. I bid you farewell, egg breads. Okay, we turn this on and we are gonna do 350 Fahrenheit or degrees. And for the time, we're gonna do 15 minutes. And go! I'll see you in 15 minutes, folks. Bye! 1 minute left, turn it all on. Still waiting. Come on, 1 minute left. Hurry up. If it starts beeping, it means it's ready. Like 3, 2, 1. Yay, I did it. Oh, hot. Off. Okay, now time to open it. Hot. Hot. That's cute. One's like a little person reaching out, and the other's like, I want to get out of this bowl. Ta-da! Look at this beauty. And do you know what it smells like? It smells like caramel with the scent. Like, it smells like eggs, but at the same time, it smells like caramel. It smells amazing. That's what I'm saying. Well, it's a little bit crooked, but still, it tastes the same. Oop, the forks. Oh my gosh, this smells amazing. Look at this beauty. I can't wait to try it. Okay, it's hot, so I'm gonna eat a tiny bit. Ooh. Ooh, I can already feel the texture. Ooh, look at the inside. It's so soft. Ooh. It's hot, so I'm only eating a little bit. Yeah, it's sweet. That's good. I will show you the inside of this marvelous bread. Look at the yolk. It's like yellow inside. Oh, and look. That's good. I'm gonna finish the one I'm gonna eat. Yeah, I think it would be very tasty if you eat it for breakfast or if you eat it before you go to work. And I hope you enjoy your new snack. See you guys. Bye! This one's like a waterfall biscuit. I'm gonna eat it. Whoop. That's what I'm talking about. That's good. I think it's a caramel, like popcorn caramel. I love this.